students. Hope you all are fine and happy. Students, do you remember what we learned in the previous class? Yes. We learned about Mesolithic age. Today, we are going to learn about the Neolithic age. So, let's begin. The word Neolithic is derived from two Greek words, neo and lithos. Neo means new and lithos means stone. So, Neolithic age means new stone age. In the period subsequent to the Mesolithic age, man began to use polished stone tools. This period is called the Neolithic age. The beginning of cultivation was the major progress in this period that dates around 8,000 years back. In the Mesolithic period, people were able to hunt from afar and hunting became easy. So many animals were extinct. It brought a great change in balance of the environment, and also human growth increased and the availability of food decreased. So this led to scarcity of food, which brought many changes in human life. The change from food gathering to food production is a landmark in the history of human life. Environmental changes, scarcity of food, population growth, etc. are pointed out as the major reasons that led to cultivation. Gordon Childe, the historian, termed these changes as Neolithic Revolution. Students, do you know which were the places man began to cultivate? Yes, man began to cultivate and settle down in the river valleys. We know that two main things are needed for cultivation. What are they? Yes, soil fertility and water. That's why they settled in the river valleys. Later, the settlements in the river valleys led to different civilizations like Egyptian civilization in the Nile River Valley, Harappan civilization in the Sindhu River Valley, etc. So children, the river valleys became the centers of different civilizations. In the Neolithic age, human beings began to rear animals for food. They began a settled life for the purpose of cultivation and domestication of animals. Wheat, barley, jute, different kinds of tubers, paddy, plantain, etc. were the major crops of that age. Students, have you heard about Edekal Caves? Where is it located? Edekal Caves is a major Neolithic site in Kerala. It is located at Ambukuttimala near Ambalavayal in Wayanad. Do you know many evidences have been discovered from the Edekal Caves in connection with the Neolithic age, like stone chisel, stone tools and other tools regarding with Neolithic age found from this cave, wheel cart, wheel and axle, figures of men, animals and tools, geometric shapes, varied swastik forms and sun symbols and others were drawn on the Edekal cave walls. The carving of ethnic king wearing headdress are also seen here. From these evidences, we can understand that in those days, wheels were used to carry goods from one place to another. The development of cultivation and permanent settlement led to a collective life. Now, let's identify the technological progress attained in the Neolithic age. Wooden-handled stone axes and sickles were used. Sharpened and polished stone tools were used. Wooden wheels were used for making pottery. Made pots of clay. Rafts were used for water transportation. Ornaments were made of stone, wood, and bone. Clothes woven out of jute fibers were sewn using needles fashioned from bones. Plowshare and spade were made of wood. Harpoons and fishing hooks were used for fishing. The lake villages in Switzerland are another example for the technological progress attained by the Neolithic man. These dwellings in the lake were constructed using logs, animal skin, and mud. Walls and houses built of stone in the Neolithic age were discovered from Jericho in Palestine. Now, let's see the changes of Neolithic age. Environmental changes, scarcity of food, population growth, beginning of cultivation, rearing of animals, settled life, uses of wheels, exchange of products, collective life. Now, let's see the major Neolithic sites in India. Idakkal, Payyamballi, Brahmagiri, Hallur, Takkalakota, Khilegul Muhammad, Sarai Khola, Bursaho, Gufkral, Utnur, Maski, Nagarjunakonda, Koldiva, Chiran, and Marghar. Now, let's see the changes began in the Mesolithic age and developed in Neolithic age. Exchange of things, construction, fishing, permanent settlement, exchange of crops, domestication. Now, let's differentiate between Paleolithic age and Neolithic age. Tools: rough stones, polished stones. Occupation: hunting, agriculture and rearing of animals, food gathering, collected food, produced food. Settled life, wandering life, settled life. Animal husbandry. There was no animal husbandry during Paleolithic age. Widespread. Pottery. There was no pottery during Paleolithic age. Clay pots. Technology: sculpture, painting, handcrafts. Wheels, weaving of clothes, handcrafts, paintings, settlement of life. Students, now let's learn about the Chalcolithic age. The Chalcolithic age was a transition period from the Stone Age to the Metal Age. In addition to the stone tools, the people of this period made copper tools as well. Let us see the major sites of the Chalcolithic age. Çatalhöyük in Turkey is a major site from where evidences for human life in the Neolithic and the Chalcolithic ages have been discovered. Ancient forms of urban settlement existed in this site. The major remnants discovered here are the ruins of dwellings. The huts were built using mud bricks. The residues of wheat and barley have been discovered here. Pictures were drawn on the walls of huts. Now, let's see the major Chalcolithic sites in India. Marghar, Belatal, Ahar, Yaran, Jorwe, and Daimabad. Marghar in Balochistan is a major Chalcolithic site in the Indian subcontinent. Wheat and barley were cultivated there. Houses with ovens were built of mud bricks. The evidence for the use of the potter's wheel has also been discovered from here. Okay students, now let's summarize what we learned in this chapter. The age in which man used stone tools and weapons is known as the Stone Age. Stone Age can be divided into Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, and Neolithic Age based on the improvement in the stone tools. Human life varied in different ages. The information on the Stone Age is obtained from the remnants of the objects used by the humans of that age. By the end of the Stone Age, metal tools began to be used. This period is known as the Chalcolithic Age. Hope you all understood what we learned in this chapter. We will meet in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you.